Today, in a landmark ruling, the United States Supreme Court overturned Roe versus Wade, essentially ending abortion rights at the federal level. The decision was 6-3, with the court's more conservative justices all ruling to overturn. Immediately after the decision, protesters were already gathering outside the Supreme Court. More protests are planned across the country, even one set for 6 o'clock tonight here in Jacksonville. Meanwhile, the protests continue outside the Supreme Court right now. This is a live look from Washington, D.C. Crowds have been pretty tame today, but law enforcement officers in the area, they are ready in case anything happens. They are already equipped with riot gear. We've got all the details on how this will affect Florida. First, Karen Kafa has the latest from Washington.
During a Supreme Court term when this court has taken on a number of hot-button issues, this decision on abortion has been perhaps the most highly anticipated. The case surrounding a Mississippi law and ruling overturning Roe v. Wade, which has been the precedent in this country since 1973. Roe v. Wade is no more after the court issued an historic opinion Friday overturning the landmark decision that stood for nearly 50 years.
We trust women. We won't go back.
The decision laid out in Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization, written by Justice Samuel Alito, finds that there is no longer a federal constitutional right to an abortion. Alito wrote in part, Roe was egregiously wrong from the start. Its reasoning was exceptionally weak, and the decision has had damaging consequences. The three dissenting judges, Kagan, Sotomayor, and Breyer, warn that this decision will have a wide-ranging impact on women across the country, writing, whatever the exact scope of the coming laws, one result of today's decision is certain: the curtailment of women's rights and of their status as free and equal citizens. At least 24 states are now in position to ban abortion, which could lead to a number of future legal showdowns.
It's a slap in the face to women about using their own judgment to make their own decisions about their reproductive freedom.
Conservatives like former Vice President Mike Pence commending the justices for, quote, having the courage of their convictions. President Joe Biden, meanwhile, had this to say.
The only way we can secure a woman's right to choose, the balance that existed, is for Congress to restore the protections of Roe v. Wade as federal law.
Demonstrators were already outside the court this morning when the opinion was issued, anticipating that today could be the day. It's expected that those demonstrations will continue there throughout the weekend. The U.S. Capitol Police and D.C.'s Metropolitan Police Department among those with extra officers on hand. Live outside the Supreme Court, I'm Karen Kafa. Now back to you.